Jcf Launches Probe into video showing cop body slamming a female motorcyclist during an arrest.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Two policemen are now under investigation, arising from an incident captured on video in which one of them appears to slam a female motorcyclist to the ground before placing her in handcuffs. The police have released a statement confirming that the incident happened along the Mandela Highway in St. Catherine on Friday, August 17, and that the probe is being led by the Inspectorate of the Constabulary Division. The police acknowledge too that the two men seen in the video placing the woman in handcuffs as she lay motionless on the roadway are members of the Jamaican Constabulary Force. The IOC is reporting that several statements have already been collected and the investigation is being done with alacrity. More information will be made available as the investigation progresses, the statement said. The video appears to show one of the cops draping the woman in the chest area, slamming her to the ground before dragging her motionless body along the road surface.
I saw police that. And I him touch her, you know.
Him lick her off her back. Me I said this guy in the coming up. Unfair and wicked. Look how you tongue, woman. License plate number.
The police are appealing to members of the public who witnessed the incident to contact the Inspectorate of the Constabulary Division at 876-906-5325 or 876-754-8217 or email them via this address, inspectorate@jcf.gov.jm.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.